And then,
No? Well, you can get a ticket? Oh, man.
that's my one focusing. You remember those?
Yeah, I've never been a fan of those, eh?
No, my son loves it. You know, I'd rather get rid of that than that's what I would rather have. The little two, the two. But this is in Hamilton. What's that place? Malamata.
Yeah, yeah,
In the
yeah.
park. So she goes down. But yeah, they're my other two, which you would like. Now that's mine, and then you like say.
Nice.
That's the mud truck. But, oh geez, it was fun, but basically run the marble. And these guys do it every Saturday. They go out into Bombay Hills on the various tracks. And, that was us.
Yeah, would do. No, it's no good. I've just turned on my.
You okay with something? Were you okay on Friday afternoon? I was just worried, you looked a bit flush.